Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I'm out here outside here trying to get something set up here for winter time. I finally got all the pieces together. Um, Part of it was just absent-mindedness, not picking stuff up. So what I have here is when I installed the hot water heater, the new gas hot water heater, I put it in a hot and cold frost-free Woodford hose bib out here. So I can run either cold water, I can run hot water, I can run warm water. Well, I want to put a hose thing on the post here down low here, but the holes here, these two holes here are 3 3/4 inches wide, which means it's wider than the 4x4 post is. So I got some pieces here to work on it, and so that's what I'm going to do right now before it gets too much colder here. All right, so let me move things around and get it set up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this 2x6 here down here. Then I can mount the hose holder to as well. So let me go ahead and start some screws here. I want to make sure it's lower than this because this has a drain on it. I want to be able to make sure it drains out totally when I use it here. All right, there we go. Now, all I need to do is I can turn the water on, either hot or cold, and it'll go through the unit there, and let me go through the hose, and I can use it out here. The reason I put hot water out there is that sometimes, even with the heat tape up there, up there, you can see a little bit of the heat tape sticking up. I would have a little bit of buildup that wasn't melting right above the door here. Now I can get some hot water out here. I can spray it and give the heat tape a help. All right. So hopefully that explains everything for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.